Hey guys, it's Anne here, and this is going to be a little video on some nail art. Back when I was in high school and university, I used to do nail art all the time. It was one of the little creative things that I like to do. Most people didn't even notice it, but it was just something I like to do. And I used to use a pen, actually, to do dots and to draw. In my random shopping that I did in January, I decided to buy a nail kit. So I bought a couple of things actually last year. So two things I bought last year. I bought this. This was actually a stamper. I want to say it's called Pueen. Sounds really ridiculous, but it's like Queen, but with a P. And I bought the stamper. So it comes with a little, and it's exactly like what you see in all those little videos. It's clear. But then I could never figure out what stencils to buy. Actually, I'll be honest, when I purchased this, because the image showed stencils with it, I thought it came with stencils. I wasn't really paying attention to what I bought, and obviously when I went back to it, I realized it didn't come with stencils. The other thing that I bought back last May is this stuff, and it's sort of like a glue that you put around your nails and then you just peel it off, so when you do the stamping. So I picked two colors that I thought were very different, and they're kind of pink and white because Valentine's Day is around the corner, and I thought it'd just be sickeningly cute and do something that was kind of Valentine's-y. So the two colors that I am wearing is Julep, and this one is in Lupita. I actually really like this color and this formula of this color. The Julep, the different colors are not exactly the same formula, which is kind of annoying. I actually used to have a subscription to Julep, and I don't have one anymore. But anyway, there's that one, and Brigitte is the white one. So I have two coats of the white on and just actually one coat of Lupita on. What I ordered was this thing called Vega, and it came in a box or bag like this. I actually ordered it January 13th, and it said it was going to arrive between the 12th of February and March 14th. And I actually got it around, I think I got it on Friday, on February 2nd. And so yeah, I got it way sooner than I expected to, but a lot of people said in the comments that it did take a while. So if you do order this, just be patient, because it is coming from halfway around the world. And so I've already opened it, and some of the things that come in it are some of these stencils. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stencils? No, 10 stencils. So you get 5 different dotting tools, and it looks like they have 2 different sizes on either end. So I don't know if you can see that. So that means you have 10 different dotting tools, from really, really fine to a large one. So I'll try those out. So it did come with a scraper and stamper as well. This kind of came separate, so I think this is supposed to go in here. Although this one, everything seems to stick to this, and then it doesn't stick in this very well. I'm going to try both, and we'll see if there's a difference between the two. What else was in here? So it came with a white pencil. I'm just going to leave this in the package. They have a thing that says, to view instructions and ideas for best use of this product, please look up for it on our website. Anyway, I did look up what do you use a white pencil for, and I think this is to brighten your nails, is from what I understand. And then it came with 2 sets of rhinestones. So one is sort of like black and silver, and the other set is colorful. So there's a lot of different colors in here: yellow, green, pink, red, purple. So we'll give those a try. Lastly, it came with a set of brushes, And this is a lot. Brushes are expensive and there's quite a wide variety here. So I'm just gonna open them. So yeah, it came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 different brushes. The handle is a very light plastic. They do feel kind of cheap, but I mean, there's a lot of variety here for doing different looks. I mean, some of these are so similar. I'm not sure how I would use so many different kinds. It looks like you got another little daughter in here. I'm gonna use these for art things and not nail things. And again, like 2 fan brushes, I guess, for if you're using 2 different colors maybe. So what I really wanted to do was try out doing the stamping. I have never done this before, so this will be interesting. And I'm gonna use some of the little heart stuff again, because I'm going to be cutesy with Valentine's Day coming up. So I'm going to use this heart pattern right here. I'm not going to use the nail stuff on the outside, and I'm going to try it. Let's try it on this nail. So I think this is what I do. So I have a paper towel down as well. Let's take some of this, paint it on here. Use this one first. So I'll scrape that. I don't know if I did a good job scraping. Let's try one more time. That looks a little better. Let's grab stamp. Nothing. Nothing stuck to it. Let's try this again. Maybe I scraped too hard. Ooh, push that down. Okay, this is an epic fail. Let's try with this one. This was an epic fail. At least for these. I am going to do some Googling and figure out what am I doing wrong. There's got to be a trick. So I wanted to show you that I'm starting to get it, but I wanted to show the in progress learning curve steps. So you can see there that I have success. And a big shout out to Reddit. I think it's Lacaristas. There was a thread on how the hell do I make this work, basically. And two things. So for the surface, you need to kind of give it a rub down with an emery board. Just adds a little bit of texture. This is not so smooth then. This is just a Revlon Shape and Buff. You can see how old this is. Probably should buy a new one soon. And number 2, what I was doing wrong was pushing down super hard. You're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to just be like super delicate, roll it on, and then roll it on your nail. So I will clean up my nails and I'll come back and I'll do a demo of a much better job of applying the stencils to my nails. Alright guys, I'm back. I changed up the color of my nails. The white and the pink, they just weren't me. And this is a bit more realistic in terms of colors.
that I like to wear. So the main color I have is Rock Oyster from H&M. I'm sad. I think I heard they've discontinued their cosmetics line, and I really like this nail polish. I kind of wanted to buy some more. I like the big wide brushes. So that's Rock Oyster, and then the darker color is another julep one in Rochelle. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to use this sort of irregular pattern. I've learned that when you're beginning especially to use an irregular pattern, people can't see how you mess up as easily if it's something that's a very regular pattern. And so first off, I'm going to use this sort of glue stuff around the outside of my nail. I should have put that on a bit thicker. Oh, stuff stinks terribly. Although a test I want to use, I wonder, you could probably just use some Elmer's glue with a brush. You'd have to use a brush that you don't care about, because the glue will probably mess up the brush, but anyway. There we go. We'll give that a moment to dry. So the glue is dried down, I think, enough. Alright, I'm going to try and do this quickly. Then, this is the hard part with such a light color. Gently roll it. Success! Look at that! I did it! Look, Ma, 2 hands! Yay! And this is the final look, guys. So I actually did it. Yay! It worked. It took a little while, but I finally figured it out. And I just put a top coat of this Sally Hansen Miracle Gel on top. So, yay! Thumbs up! Finally figured out nail stamping. I know I'm a little late to the game. This was popular maybe 3 or 4 years ago, but it is kind of fun if you have some time on a Sunday afternoon to play with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in more nail art videos, give this a thumbs up, let me know below. And if you're just interested in seeing more videos from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!